see a chipmunk behind this log. Let's go see if we can see it. I saw a movement. Let's see if he comes out. We even have a little groundhog that lives underneath our slide. Oh, I think he's over here. Let's go see if we can see it underneath this log. Do you see some moss? We can add that to our nature bracelet. I like the shape of these leaves too. Now you have to be very careful with some plants because some plants that have certain shaped leaves will make you very, very itchy if you touch them. It's the plant's way of protecting itself. See if we can find a path. These I love. I love ferns. I'm gonna take a little souvenir of a fern from my bracelet. Over there, look. Did you see that? A chipmunk. I can hear birds. Oop, I see another chipmunk under this really big log over here. Let's see. Oh, there he is, ready. Just disappeared. Over here we're going to have to walk across this little stream. So hopefully I won't fall in. But if I do, you're not allowed to make fun of me. Let's see if we can see anything in the water. I see some bubbles. I also see some really pretty buttercups. I'd have to get one of those for my bracelet too. Okay, you ready? You have to balance. Phew, made it. Anything in here? What do you think? I bet somebody's made a little nest for themselves in there with all those leaves. What a pretty day. Violet sticks. So if you ever come to the nature center, I'm sure you've been a bunch of times. I love walking on all the paths behind it. Look, some people have even carved letters into this tree. I'm not sure if that's great for the tree, but I bet you recognize some of the letters. There's an R, and an A, and a C and an H, and a D and an F, and a T and an A. That could be maybe a W. Let's see. Ooh, these are a different kind of leaf. Look at all the lines in these. Add that to our collection. And if you look closely when you're at the nature center, there are signs that tell you what things are. There's another little bridge we can cross. Now the other day, Ami came by the water over here and said she saw all kinds of little turtles. Actually, let's go over to the stream again and see if we can find anything. It's just pretty to look at the water sometimes anyway, isn't it? It's a pretty sound. Hear those birds chirping? Oop, here's a different shaped leaf. Get one of those too. Ah, and these are some pretty flowers. These are a little different. These are kind of purple flowers. On our bracelet. Okay, we're almost coming up to the nature center itself. Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hi. Well, look at that. We just saw all kinds of nature. Oop. Look what I see. Oh boy. There's a bird who is eating the bread that those boys left. 2 ducks. Let's get a little closer. Having their lunch, I think. I wonder where the turtles went. That would be exciting. Bit muddy. Hi, duck. Here's his friend. All right, well, I'm gonna head back before the big boys come back on their bikes, but I hope you guys had fun, and soon I hope very much that the playground will be back open and you guys will be back on the swings where you belong. There's a gazebo, and I'll see you later. Bye.